Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know it's the Crocus Bag Farm. I'm here showing you a beautiful, beautiful Vervain plant, and the plant is so exquisite. The plant is so exquisite. I had to show you the flowers, the actual leaves. I had to show you the seeds. You know, the way it's blossoming. It's just a exquisite, beautiful plant. So check out my Vervain plant, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful purple flowers. Awesome, awesome. Awesome. And that's the Vervain. Thank you for your subscription. Remember to leave a comment, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer, aka Rastafari Soldier. Soldier is in the place. Rastafari Soldier. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Just showing you this Vervain plant. Beautiful, beautiful patch of Vervain.